Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share this thermal nail gel by Born Pretty. Super beautiful gel polish. I will be creating a manicure on myself, and I wanted to show you guys how I apply my gel. So I'm going to start right at the apex, we can say, of my nail. These are my natural nails, by the way. And as you guys can see, they are already prepped. So I'm just going to work from the center to the cuticle area and stretch down that gel. I'm using a very small amount on my brush because a little bit goes a long way, as you guys can see here. I do not use base. That's just my personal preference. And that's pretty much it. As you guys can see, I am using just a little bit of pressure to slightly open up that brush in that cuticle area and make sure that that area looks nice and clean. I'm going to do it again in this other nail. As you guys can see, start from the bottom, work my way up, and I'm putting some pressure on the brush. The trick is to slightly apply pressure onto the brush to make that brush open up, as you guys can see, just enough to get it the size of your cuticle, and then stretch it all the way down. Make sure you guys are using just a little bit of the product. It doesn't matter what color you guys are using. Some gels can be trickier than others. In this case, this is a very light color, so I'm just taking my time. I'm brushing everything out. Any bubbles or anything you guys see, just stretch it all the way down to the free edge. Also, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys one more time before I go ahead and cure. Make sure that the first layer you can see through that polish because it is very important that you cure a thin layer first. Then we're going to go ahead and apply a second layer. Some gel polishes require a third layer. It all depends. Just keep it nice and thin. I know some of you guys struggle with this. And I think the biggest thing is like keeping that same amount that I just started with. As you guys can see, it was enough to cover all 5 fingers. So I cured for 60 seconds in the lamp, and I am doing my second layer now. As you guys can see, now you can kind of see that the color it's coming in. We're going to go ahead and clean this up before we cure. But as you guys can see, if I'm doing my own nails, right? But if you guys are working on a client or someone else, try to use a brush with a little bit of alcohol. Do not put too much alcohol because you do not want it to mess up your application. So make sure it's just nice and damp and just clean around the cuticle area before you cure. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same technique for all 5 fingers. And I'm just stretching that gel. Make sure you guys take your time until you get the hang of it. I know sometimes gel can be a little bit tricky. If you see your gel opening up and creating like this round, I would say like circle on your nail, that means that it's not adhering there because there's some type of product or grease that's not letting it adhere to your nail. So just take your time. If that happens, just wipe it down with alcohol and start your application again. So here you have it. I'm going to go ahead and cure this again, and then we're going to go ahead in with a top coat by Born Pretty, and this is a matte eggshell gel effect. So super beautiful. This will cure and it will look matte. And I think it's absolutely beautiful for this time, like Easter. It gives it that eggshell effect. Super cute. I thought this was beautiful and I wanted to share with you guys. So just take your time with these type of gels. As you guys can see, I don't want it to look thick, so I went ahead and cured in between. And then I'm going to go ahead and build some of this product again over my nails to keep it nice and natural. So you guys can work around with whatever you guys have. If you guys want to try this and don't have this gel polish, or if you're interested in this gel polish, I'll leave the information in the description down below. Also, you guys can go ahead and check out a discount code that I have available for you guys, which is 10% off your order. So that's pretty much it. After I apply this, I'm going to go ahead and cure again. And then we're ready for a top coat. So again, I'm just building this product little by little. Try to keep it nice and thin. I know this can be a little headache because in the beginning we want to see the effect on it, but just be patient. There you guys have it. I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. And then I will top off the other 3 nails that do not have this effect with just a regular glossy top coat. And this is the final look. I think this is absolutely beautiful and stunning. If you guys like it, go ahead and smash that like button. This is how they look with cold water. Look how beautiful. I was so amazed with this gel polish. So beautiful, guys. So again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here to my channel. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.